Are you always messing up your lines? Are you always messing up your lines? Keep on having to repeat yourself 100 times to get your lines right? Why not use the best teleprompter app for iPhone and iPad? I mean, it's what I use. Welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. I'm Jonathan and I'm here to help you find the tools to build an income online. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time that a new video goes live. It's crazy how good cameras are on iPhones nowadays. Crazy. My first iPhone was the iPhone 3G, and I remember I was amazed at how good the camera was at the time. Things have changed. So the app that I use is very creatively named Teleprompter for video. So let's go take a look. So it's pretty straightforward. You know, you hit the play button, you can see how it just scrolls, and then you can adjust the speed, the plus and the minus there. You can add a new script by hitting script and hitting the plus. You can get it from a bunch of different sources. Those are all the scripts that I had added. But if I go to settings, you could adjust different little tiny settings, like if you want it to be mirrored, which that's if you're having a mirror that you're going through, the text size. Then you could also go to, you know, what backgrounds you want, where you want the actual teleprompter information to be, transparency, little things like that. If you want a timer before you start, all these little tiny settings, but the majority of it is just have the text on the side, the camera, the front-facing camera. Most cameras on phones are at least 1080p. A lot of them are going 4K, so you can get a 4K image from the front-facing camera, and you could use this and you'll have a beautiful image. I mean, it's really well done. So like I said, I mean, there's not much that you really need to explain on this app. That's why I like it. You literally drop the text in. You have to do a little bit of formatting to make sure, like, if you want the spaces and the breaks, but that's it. And just hit play and then hit record, or if you hit record, it will actually just start playing automatically. You make sure your speed is at the level that you want to say it. And then I just put it in the tripod, or I just put it in my tripod with my microphone and my lights around me, and I record my videos. If you get value out of this video, make sure that you like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified every time that I upload a new video. If you have any requests for videos, let me know in the comments. I'm here to serve you, so I wanna make sure that I'm making videos on subjects that you wanna learn about. I like planning everything ahead, and it really helps that make sure that I'm not gonna miss something, because if you're gonna sit down and record an entire YouTube video, the last thing that you want is to sit down a day or two later to edit it and go like, ah, man, I didn't say something that I needed to say. And if you write everything down and put it in a teleprompter, you're guaranteed to remember everything because it's right there on the teleprompter. Even if you need to go back and reread a few lines, with a little bit of editing, you'll look like you remembered all your lines flawlessly. I mean, I'm reading a teleprompter right now. I think it turns out pretty well. If you're a little nervous on camera, this could be the perfect app for you. If you like this video, your next stop should be the Hacks and Tricks playlist. I'll put a link in the description as well as on the end card. Do you use a teleprompter to record your videos? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.